Jury selection will begin tomorrow for Brian Walshe. He is the Cohasset man accused of killing and dismembering his wife, Anna. Today, we got a glimpse of what we're going to see in the trial. WBZ's Kmitt. Penny Kmitt is live for us in Dedham tonight. And Penny, the judge was very thorough today while going through the arguments that both sides are going to be making here.
David, that's right. We also today got the official potential witness list from the Commonwealth, and there are 136 names on this list, a handful of which we've seen testify before during the Karen Reed trial.
I won't go into anything about Proctor except for the fact that once Proctor's integrity was impeached, the Commonwealth moved away from it.
A familiar name surfacing during Brian Walshe's last hearing before his criminal trial gets underway tomorrow. Michael Proctor, the disgraced former state trooper, who was fired in part due to his misconduct surrounding the Karen Reed case. He also investigated this case.
If the prosecution can build their case on other investigators, they're absolutely going to. In terms of the defense, do they want him up there? He's a bit of a wild card for them, too.
Walshe is accused of killing and dismembering his wife, Anna, in 2023. He walked into court this morning in handcuffs, waving to his mom, Diana, who was just added to the witness list this morning after allegedly hiring a private investigator to catch her son's wife in an affair. She was asked to leave the courtroom as the judge and attorneys debated her potential testimony. Ms. Walshe, did your son know you hired the private investigator?
The only witnesses that can testify as to whether or not Brian Walshe knew about this private investigator are Brian Walshe and his mother, and the mother is not testifying at trial. That evidence will never come in.
With Anna's body never having been found, WBZ legal analyst Jennifer Roman says motive will be central to this prosecution. One of Anna's friends is expected to testify that she planned to take the kids to Washington, D.C.
One of the things that the prosecution really needs to, I think, drive home for the jury is that there was a motive for this murder. And one of their theories on the motive is that they were having significant challenges in their marriage.
Prosecutors are also expected to show a series of internet searches Walshe allegedly made on his son's iPad, including 10 ways to dispose of a dead body.
Binders worth of materials that I have.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of evidence throughout this trial. Something else pretty significant that was discussed today. You may remember that early last year, Brian Walshe was convicted of felony art fraud after selling 2 fake Andy Warhol paintings. The judge very, very particular today about what information from that case can be used during this trial. Really not much of it, as she doesn't want to taint the jury. From Dedham, I'm Penny Kmitt, WBZ News.
All right, Penny, thank you.